Arizona until 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 11:53 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mesa, Apache Junction, East Mesa, Saguaro Lake, Salt River Tubing Recreation Area, Usery Mountain Park, Superstition Springs Mall, Superstition Mountains, Lost Dutchman State Park, Falcon Field Airport, and Granite Reef Dam. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal. You're listening to National